Good morning. I have a small welding job today. There's two braai frames here for a barbecue, but the one is too bigger than the other one. So what must I do? This small one comes in a small frame that it fits, but this one is from a stove, I think, but it's too big. So I'm gonna have to cut all these small things. It's gonna be difficult to weld the small anyway. Okay, so what I'm first gonna do, I'm gonna mark the space here. I just gonna keep the sides here together and clamp them, and then mark here, and then I'm gonna use the angle grinder, cut it off, and then remove the small pieces here, and then I'm gonna start welding it. Dog's always making a noise, so I just have to calm them down a bit. Okay, you'll see I cut this a little bit smaller here. Here's the end, so that I don't have to, where's my finger here? So I don't have to weld on the corner here, so I just cut it a little bit smaller, and then it's going to work better. Then I just gonna go and weld it then further. First I'm going to try to remove all these small pieces, and then but maybe I must keep it like this and just weld it next to it, but I don't think that will be maybe that will be the best idea. Let me just see if I go and I put this thing next to it and I just tag it there. It's going to be better, I think. Let's check. Okay, I'm going to use a 2.5 millimeter rod, the thin one, and I'm going to put the welding machine on a very low setting. First try to weld, yeah. Always make sure your welding rod is hot when you weld thin stuff. You see what's going on here? If you can see, I just tag it and I tagged it that side. So then the corner is still intact. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just weld or just tag this next to it, next to the other one. And I can just finish it off and grind it and clean it nicely. I think this is the best way to join this McGafter here. Okay, I'm just going to turn it around. I'm just going to tag it now all over the place, yeah? So now you can see we welded all those things. I can just weld it on the back side. Okay, here's the end product. But as I said before, it's so difficult to weld with a stick welder, this thin wire. So, but it will do the job. That one doesn't look so lekker, but it's good enough for a barbecue. Okay, this is only thing for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.